Hello guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and today I'm going to show you how to share your Typeform to other people as well. So now let's first go to typeform.com and click on login. So now you can see there is a form already over here, and if you right click you can see the share option. Click on share option and it will generate a link for you automatically. So now you can copy this link or you can directly share it to your social medias. For example, I'll just tweet this form and there you go, and I'll just copy and paste this link. Voila, there is our Typeform. So now let's just fill this. Yeah, so that's how you share the Typeform. Thank you for watching this video.